Straight Talk uses SMS and email for two-factor authentication to secure your account. If you're not receiving verification codes, it's likely due to common issues. First, check your phone's signal strength and ensure you have a stable network connection. Make sure your phone number and email are correctly entered in your Straight Talk account. Straight Talk uses multiple networks like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, and weak signal can cause delays. Sometimes the issue is on Straight Talk's end due to network congestion or server problems. These issues still cause SMS 2FA failures for many users. These problems affect a notable percentage of users, though Straight Talk is working on improvements. First, wait a few minutes. Verification codes can sometimes be delayed due to network congestion. Then, restart your phone. This often fixes temporary network issues that prevent code delivery. Check your spam or junk folder in your email, as verification codes can end up there due to filters. Verify your phone's SMS settings and ensure that shortcodes are not blocked, as this can prevent codes from arriving. Consider using the Straight Talk mobile app for 2FA, which bypasses SMS issues by sending codes directly to the app. If all else fails, contact Straight Talk support for help with verification issues. As SMS becomes less reliable, explore alternatives like app-based authenticators, such as Google Authenticator, for more secure and consistent 2FA.